Hi, good morning, everybody. Today we're going to do discount and taxes. Okay. Basically, discount and taxes. We have four different types of questions. Normally, even though it's always worded questions, but out and some worded questions might be very long. Of course, good for you one is a very short one lah. But usually, it all boils down to these four types. Okay. So we have the sales price after discount, total cost after tax, or it could be original price before discount or original price before the tax. Of course, they can also ask you the to find the discount itself or the tax itself lah, how much the tax discount and how much the tax. That one you should know already through your percentages previously when we teach last week. Okay. All right. So let's say Alex wants to buy an air fryer. Okay. Yeah, air fryer which is usually cost 400 ringgit. But this weekend, because of MCO, we have sales at 30% discount. Okay. So what is the sales price? Okay. So keyword here, all right, is 430%. Okay, so we want to know the discount. There are a few ways to do this. Okay, so first way is that we have the 400, right? Okay, and then we need to find the 30% of this 400. So what do? We times 30 over 100, or you can use 0.3 if you like. Okay, so we get 400 times zero point 0.3, I get 120. Now 120 here is the discounted price. Okay, so what is the sales price? We need to minus. Remember to minus. Remember to differentiate. Minus 120. So we get 280. Okay. Now what if we let me use a different color. What if you don't like this method, you want to do another method, also can. Okay, so 30% right, means how much you need to pay? You need to pay 100 minus 30, which is 70%, right? So means you only need to pay 70% of the cost. So what you need to do is 400 times 0.7. Why 0.7? 70 divided by 100, you get 0.7 because we want to change to decimal. Okay, so and then you straight away can get 280. Okay, so this is you can either use the red method or the blue method, up to you. Just use one of it is enough. Okay, whichever you prefer. All right, now this is another type. Previously was discount, now is sales tax. Okay, so it's similar. Okay, in this case they sell for 50 ringgit. All right, yeah, let me change highlighter. So keyword here is 50 ringgit, tax is 8%. Okay, so if similarly you have two methods. First one is that you can 50 times 8 over 100, so we can get how much is the 8%. So 50 times 0.08, we get 4. So we know now 8% of the 50 ringgit is 4 ringgit. So that way we need to plus or minus. Because this is tax, we plus. Okay, so total price now is RM 54. All right. Of course, you can also use the other method, the blue method. Let me change to the blue pen first. Okay, which is you minus the you plus the 8% first. Just now discount is minus ma. Now I plus. Okay, so I get 108%. Okay, so after that I 50 times 1.08 equals to 54 ringgit. Okay, so either method will work also. Next, a bed is on sale for 15% off, and the sale price is 1,700. What is the original price. Now this one is a different way of doing this. This one they tell you the sales price already, and then they tell you the discount. Okay, so let's say I mean, so to reverse engineer this, okay, previously what you do is 1000, I mean, you have X, right? Wait, let me erase this. Okay, so this is the resulting price, right? If I just put it back to how you did it previously, okay? So this one, if you use the blue method, would be the best lah. Then you can understand this better. All right. So if I have on sale at 15% off, so meaning I have to something times 100 minus 15 equals to 85 over 100, right? Okay. So the X price, the original price, oops, not equals, right, wrongly, is times, okay, times this amount, I get 1700. So if I reverse engineer this, okay, I get 1700 times 100 times 100 over 100 minus 15, you get 85. So if you notice, compared to the previous one, compared to here, okay, here I times 0.7, all right, but in this case I'm actually sorry, from here I times 30 over 100, here I times 100 over 85. Okay, so because this is the origin, this is the amount, the original amount, all right, sorry, this is the discounted amount. So if I type this into the calculator, 1700 times 100 divided by 85, I'll get 2000. Okay, so just remember previously what you did was how? What you did was 2000, or rather the original price times the new percent over 100 equals to new price, right? Let me rewrite that because it's too too much to the side. Okay. Uh, original price, times new percent over 100, because 100%, right? Equals new price. Okay, pardon my bad handwriting. I draw writing this on the mouse. Okay, so if we have 2000 times, what's the new percentage? The new percentage is, because it's 15% off, but this is not the new percentage refers to after the discount or after the tax. Okay, so in this case, if it's after discount, means I 100 minus 15, I get 85. Okay, over 100, I get my new price, which in this case we already know is 1700. Okay, and then, or you can go to the reverse. If I put 1700 here, then I get 85 over 100, then I can also find the original price. Okay, so the main formula is actually this one. This one you can use for all four things. Okay, so let's try with this one. All right, now this one is, oh, I forgot to put a question mark. Okay, a car is sold at 2200, 22,000 after 10% tax. Okay, so meaning previously the original price, which is X, okay, times 10% after tax. So what's the new percent? 100 plus 10 tax So we have is a plus. So 100 plus 10 equals to 100 plus 10 equals to 110 over this 100 remains the same, equals to 22000. Okay, so same thing we do, we slowly times, we can do it 1.1. Okay, 100 plus 10. Okay, 110. Let me erase this. over 100. Okay, to not confuse you so much. Equals to 22000. And then x equals to 22000 times 100 I bring up, so 100 over 110. And then you put in your calculator or you slowly solve it, you get 20,000. Alright? If you don't understand, you can ask your teachers. Thank you.